I walked up the hill some more, and that probably is that's where we were standing yesterday, looking down the other way. That's where the location of the house would be. And I'll just spin around to where I just came from. I'm looking down into the sun. So that's back. And I don't know what all these trees here would mean. Probably leave them or remove them, who knows. That's a beautiful tree there. I don't know what the cost would be. That's looking down towards the road. Over here is that tree. Behind that tree line is lot 1. Spinning back. And I'm walking up towards where the house would be. Again, that's where we had the car parked yesterday, up in there. It's the northwest corner of the property, lot 3. And I'm looking down here. This is southeast right now. And that tree line down there is the property line. It's the ravine also. There's a ravine that divides 3 and 4. Lot 4 is behind these trees, up in the hill there where it's the sunlit grass is shown. The road would come up along this area here, right there. Along here, on there, and it would swing left up into the garages. And I'll swing back towards the views. Now I'm looking probably southwest. Over here, these trees here block the view from lot 2, the upper part of lot 2. All this on the other side of these tall green trees, lot 2. Back to the site again, where a house would be. Walking by myself. Just had lunch in Weaverville at the La Crepe, that restaurant. If I go to the right here, the grass is a little deeper. I don't want to get something on me. What the heck. I'll try it. Okay. This is the left side of the lot looking down the hill of lot 3, and this is probably where the driveway would come up, down in here. There's a flat area way down there. I don't know what that would be, but it appears to be part of lot 3. And this whole area down here just slopes down to the left. Now I'm on the middle of the lot right now, looking up to the west, looking up to the northwest corner. And the house would be up there. And the drive would probably come up here. And there would be a left-hand turn up into the house. Be a little steep right here. Sort of steep, but not very steep. I'll walk down here by the this has got to be approximately where a driveway would come, and it would turn left right here and then go up that hill to the house. House would be up there behind that tree that's dead. It's dead. Firewood. I don't know about this here. Probably have to let this grow wild. You don't have to cut this. And again, that's over in there, that's lot 4. Where you see the bright green, the dark shade is the tree property line. And I'm looking down, all the way down to the front entrance. Okay, I'm going to shut it off.